I just earned another commission from Infinity Processing System, and I'm about to share with you how I did it. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm gonna share with you how I earned a new $300 commission from Infinity Processing System. Now, before I get into it, if you're not familiar with what IPS is, it is a affiliate marketing system that teaches people how to make money with affiliate marketing using platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, Craigslist, so on and so on. It is a full training system. Now, whenever you decide to become a member of IPS, right, you're going to get access to all this training, plus you're going to get the resale rights to IPS where you can earn 100% commissions for every system that you sell. 100% commissions. I've got several questions about Infinity Processing System that I want to touch on right now. And one of the main questions that I get is it legit? Right? Is this a real opportunity? All right. And the answer is hell yeah. I mean, I think for anybody who doesn't think this is a legit opportunity, you are somebody who is looking for something wrong. You are looking for a reason not to do it, right? Like, that's why I think a lot of people, when they're like, oh, is it legit? Is it legit? There's no way that you can watch, my videos talking about this opportunity or even other people's videos. Even when you go to the sales page, right? There's no reason why you would think this isn't real, this isn't legit, blah, blah, blah. And another question that I get is, well, what do you get with IPS? Like, what are you buying? What are you promoting? What are you a member of, right? And like I just said, you're actually getting training, online marketing, affiliate marketing training. That is what IPS is all about. That's what you're getting resale rights to, right? Training. Just like if you were promoting any other thing, you actually have something that you're promoting. You're not promoting air, you're promoting an actual training system. Now, another question that I've got, which is kind of like annoying because I'm like, you do know what affiliate marketing is, right? But I'm gonna answer it anyway. Is it guaranteed money, right? Like, if I join IPS, am I just gonna get a check? Am I gonna get money sent to my PayPal next week automatically? Am I going to if I join? No, it's affiliate marketing. That's like if you get your realtor license, right? And you take all these realtor courses and everything, but you actually don't go out and promote that you're a realtor. If you don't list houses, right? You're not guaranteed just because you're a realtor that somebody's just gonna knock on your door and be like, yo, I want that house next door. Like, you're not guaranteed to sell a house. So whenever you get involved with any sort of affiliate marketing, any of these systems, these courses, you're not guaranteed to make money. Can you make money with this opportunity? Absolutely. Like, for real. I'm living proof of it, right? So it's a real business opportunity, but you have to work. You have to go into it looking at it as a business, and you really have to put effort into it to make it work. Trust me, I know people in our own private group that have made over $20,000 with IPS, $10,000, $3,000, $30,000, no joke. So it is real, but it's really up to you and the effort that you put in to the system. So like at the beginning of this video, I showed you that screenshot of another commission that I just got, which is a $300 commission sent to my PayPal. So how did this happen? How did I make this work? Honestly, keeping it real, consistency, right? Consistency. Always having content out about this opportunity is what led to that sale. It's that simple. So whenever you decide to become an IPS member, you're going to get access to training. All right. So inside that training, I always tell people, go over all of the training, like go over all of it. Right. And then you decide what you feel comfortable with and then go hard. right? So if you're in the YouTube like me, once you go over the training inside of IPS, because they have a YouTube training inside of it, then once you go over the training, you all set up, you good to go. Now go. Now work. It's that simple. Or you're like Facebook, like you look at all the Facebook strategies in the course, and you're like, yo, I like Facebook. All right, go hard. Start posting the ads that they give you in the system. Start posting them on a regular basis. Get your own system down and stay consistent. Remember, this is a business opportunity. Look at it in the long term, because I'm pretty confident the commissions that I've gotten from IPS are from video content that I made maybe last year, right? So it's all about creating content about IPS, right? Or about making money online or affiliate marketing. Getting the most content out there about your opportunity is key when it comes to earning money with IPS. Now, me personally, I like videos because, like I just said, somebody might see a video that I recorded a year ago, right? And then they'll check out the IPS sales page and everything, and they're like, wow, like, okay, I want to join. And now I could be chilling, I could be working out and get that notification. Oh, you just got a new commission. And that's how IPS works, and that's how it can work for you. So guys, that's all I did to earn money with IPS. That's all I do to earn money with all of the opportunities that I talk about. It's about finding your marketing style, your marketing strategy, and just going hard. That's all it really is. So if you're ready to get started with the Infinity processing system, all you need to do is click the first link in this video. It'll take you straight to the sales page so you can read it from top to bottom. Check out the testimonials on that page. Also check out the frequently asked questions on that page. And after you get done with that, I'm sure you'll be ready to rock and roll. And I will see you on the team.